Cordless rotary tools have become increasingly popular due to their convenience and portability. These versatile tools are used for a variety of tasks such as carving, engraving, sanding, and cutting, making them a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cordless rotary tools you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Get your hands on the versatile Populo Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, our number 5 pick for the best cordless rotary tool. This 12V tool with a 2.0 Ah battery pack provides the same power as corded tools, but without the hassle of a power outlet. From sanding to drilling, engraving to cutting, you can work on a range of materials quickly and easily, without the risk of overheating. Plus, the speed can be adjusted from 5,000 to 30,000 RPM to cater to your needs. This cordless tool features a universal chuck that accepts 1/16, 3/32, and 1/8" rotary tool accessories, so you can use it with other brands such as Dremel. The high-flex material with a heat-treated collet keeps the bits securely in place. The Populo Cordless Rotary Tool Kit has an ergonomic design with an overmolded rubber grip for comfort and anti-slip. LED lights indicate speed and battery status, and you can hang it up with a hanging ring or store it in the carrying bag and plastic accessory case. At only $49, it's an affordable and reliable choice for your rotary tool needs. If you are looking for a cordless rotary tool that packs a powerful punch, look no further than the Workpro Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, our number 4 pick. This 12V rotary tool is equipped with a 2.0 Ah lithium-ion battery that delivers significant power and allows for easy sanding, grinding, and cutting. With 5 speed options ranging from 7,500 to 32,000 RPM, you can choose the perfect speed for any job. This rotary tool kit includes 114 accessories, making it perfect for crafters working with a variety of materials. The universal chuck comes in 2 sizes, 3/32 and 1/8", making it easy to change accessories quickly. Plus, the entire tool is compact and lightweight, weighing just 1.38 pounds and measuring 10 inches in length. The Workpro Cordless Rotary Tool also boasts little vibration and noise, so you won't have to worry about a buzzing sensation or loud noise while you work. This high-performance craft tool is perfect for a wide range of household tasks, hobbies, and repairs. And at just $49, it's an excellent value for such a versatile tool. Say hello to the Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, our number 3 on the list of top DIY crafting tools. With a built-in 8V battery, this tool packs a powerful punch, making it perfect for various crafting jobs and even dog nail trimming. Its 5 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM allow you to easily adjust the rotation speed according to your needs. This wireless rotary tool comes with a 2.0 Ah battery and a charger, so you no longer have to worry about being tethered to an AC outlet. With a quick charge time of 3 to 4 hours, the battery charging light conveniently reminds you when it's fully charged. The spindle lock also allows for easy and quick changes of rotary bits. The Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is designed with 4 front LED lights around the rotary bits to illuminate your projects, making it perfect for low-light situations. This feature is especially helpful for dog nail grooming. The low noise also makes it a favorite among groomers since it doesn't scare dogs. And the best part? It's only $39. Upgrade your crafting game with the ApexForge M3 Pro Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, our number 2 pick. This kit is equipped with a convenient keyless 3-jaw chuck, allowing for quick and easy accessory changes from 1/64 to 1/8" shank without a wrench or collet. Included with the keyless chuck is an 80-piece accessories kit, perfect for a variety of small DIY projects such as sanding, grinding, carving, polishing, engraving, and 3D printing trimming. With 3 speed settings, 5,000 to 12,000, 18,000 RPM, and a cordless design, the M3 Pro is versatile and easy to use. In addition, this rotary tool features USB Type-C charging, a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, and a protective design that prevents overcharging. The compact and lightweight body reduces hand fatigue and allows for more comfortable and precise handling. Available at an affordable price of $39. Presenting the GoGonova Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, the perfect solution for all your DIY needs. Our #1 choice comes packed with incredible features. With 3 adjustable speeds, 5,000 to 12,000, 18,000 RPM, you can effortlessly adjust the polishing speed and control the power of different scenarios. From wood to soft metal, plastic, and stone, the miracle creation is right in your hands. The ergonomic and compact design of this cordless rotary tool ensures ease of use. The rubber wrap around the body allows for a secure grip, and the keyless chuck promises a simple and tool-free replacement. The tool body is also designed with several vent holes, which help dissipate the heat continuously for a longer time using. With overload protection, the motor stops in case of unanticipated situations, so you can work worry-free. And all of this can be yours for only $29. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.